Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another Halloween makeup tutorial. I didn't think I'd be filming another one, but I figured why not just sit here, my kids are at school, and try to film another one for you. So today's video is going to be a mask off kind of video. I think I showed you guys this in my last video that I said I wanted to do it, but a lot of people were doing it, but then I caved and I kind of want to do it, so I'm going to do it. So yeah, that's what today's video is going to be. So in my last video that I posted, by the way, I was so obsessed with that makeup look. Seriously, I wore it all day and I'm paying for it today because I am breaking out everywhere, like behind my neck. So I definitely don't recommend leaving that flash palette on for a long time. I think I had it on yesterday from like 12 to like 8. Which was a bad idea. I definitely need to do a face mask. But in that video, I spoke about this Lavishly She Is lash brand company. And I just wanted to show you some of the ones that they sent me because they are so gorgeous. I'm not even saying it because they sent it to me. I was hardcore, die hard for the Lily Lashes Mykonos, which I still am. But I feel like this lash company is super comparable to Lily Lashes, if not even better. I feel like they applied so easily, so seamless. They're so dramatic, but so natural at the same time. You know what I love about them so much is that they're so fluffy. Like, I love the fluff. The fluff is what gets me every time. So I wanted to show you, my only downfall is that they don't have the names on the box. But I spoke to the brand and they said that this is actually their old box and this is going to be their new box, and they are working on the box to have the name on it, which I love the new box. I actually love the old box too, but they're working on putting the names on the boxes so you can know what lash they are. I mean, obviously, if you order, you know what you ordered, but because these were sent to me and me being able to tell you, that's my only con, is that they don't have what they are, but I can tell you which ones they sent me. But I just want to show you guys some of these lashes because they're so pretty, and I swear they're so fluffy, and I just love how fluffy they are. This is one of them right here. This one has a little bit more space in between each, I guess you can say, like lash band, individual band. But this one goes from shorter in the inner corner to longer in the outer corner, giving you that cat eye illusion. This one right here is basically the big mama to that one. This one is basically the same thing where it goes from short to long in the outer corner, but it has a lot more volume to it and a lot more fluff. That's gonna be the word of the day, fluff. So as you can see right here, these are definitely more drama and a lot more thicker than the other ones. Okay, and now move into these. These are actually the ones I used in that video. These are probably the most natural of the bunch. They also are a little bit shorter and then they go longer to the outer corner, but not too much of a difference. These two, the last two, this one especially is basically a dupe for Mykonos. I haven't tried it on, but I can already tell in the box that it's a dupe for the Mykonos Lily Lashes. So you can't really tell too much in this box, but if you were to look at them from like the side, you'd have to be like in person to see it. They are super, 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 super curled up, which I love the most. And that's what I love the most about the Mykonos. It wasn't the fact that they were long. It's like they were long, but they were curled. So it looked a lot more voluptuous and voluminous versus just like long to your eyebrows, if that makes any sense. And then these are kind of like the baby sister to those. It's the exact same kind of shape, just a little bit less dense. Okay, so to compare those to Lily Lashes are $30 each box. Granted, you can wear them 30 times, but these lashes right now are on sale from $30 to $15. I'm not sure if they regularly have that sale, but right now all these lashes are 15 bucks and they're super, super, super freaking good. So if you guys are interested in these lashes, go to their website, check them out, buy some of them, buy one pair, and I promise you guys, you're gonna be addicted. You can use my coupon code, it's just Rochelle in all caps, and it'll save you a little bit of money off, but I'm not telling you about these lashes because of that coupon code, because I barely make that much from them. It's just, they're that good, so I am a proud supporter. You will see in this video that I will be using one of those lashes today, and you guys will see how much they are so amazing. So that's basically it for this little intro. If you are new here, please hit that button before you go down below. Please subscribe and join my little family. Follow me on all my social media, and let's just jump straight into this mask off Halloween video. Alright guys, so this makeup look requires you to still look pretty, so we're going to do our regular face that we normally do, but I'm going to speed through this whole process, so I'm not really going to explain too much. As you can tell, I am showing a couple other products, but I'm really just going for a very fall kind of glowy, dark lip kind of look. Obviously you're going to be taking your mask off, so you do want your face to be done in regular makeup. I actually kind of messed up on this because as I was looking at my viewfinder, I didn't realize that it shows you like a flipped version of you, so I ended up contouring the wrong side of my face, but it is what it is. So like I said, I'm just going to be speeding through this. You guys know my normal routine, and if you don't, just please check out one of my latest videos. I'm basically using all the products that I used in my drugstore video, and I'm using them again in this video. So I also applied the Lavishly She Is lashes. I wish I knew which ones these are, but these are so freaking gorgeous, and as you can see here, they pop on so easily. The band is already curved, so as soon as you lay them on your eyelids, it sits down perfectly. So I will have all the products that I used in this video for makeup wise listed down below, since I am not going through and explaining everything because the tutorial is not really on regular makeup, it's more on the Halloween costume.
I fell where my demons dwell, my own little nightmare, I call it hell. Oh well, it's time to get back up, climbing and climbing. I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my style. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time stood still, a king without his crown. Now I'm breaking, you're faking, girl, you never made a sound. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm done with yesterday.
Okay, now that we're done with our face, I'm going to go ahead and begin mapping everything out using the CC Beauty Flash Palette. I'm basically only using the black. You can honestly just use a gel liner if you want to. And I'm just following the picture that I'm showing you here and just really starting to map everything out before I really start shading it in. It's so much easier to map it out before you just jump straight into the makeup. I just feel like it gives you that very easy application versus kind of just throwing yourself off and confusing yourself. So this is why I'm showing you here in a very slow, not really slow, but in real time, how long it takes me to like really look at everything, look at the picture, make sure everything is right before I speed through in the time lapse. But I just wanted to show you guys in real time how long this video really took me. Even though it was a easy Halloween makeup, it still is very precise in the lining and the shading, so it does take a little bit of time. Okay, now that we have our entire face mapped out, I'm going to begin to shade in all the areas that are black with this Flash Paint palette. It does take a long time, but I also was using a really small brush. But you're going to see me going in with as much black as I can and then going in with the Beauty Blender and just really blending that out. Don't worry about it looking not so black and not so intense. We're going to go in with the black eyeshadow just to really set all that in place, and it really ends up deepening everything up and looking a lot more precise and a lot more dark. So now we're going to begin working on on the mask part of our face, I'm going back over it a little bit more with a little bit more black, and then I'm going to switch to a shader brush and begin to really blend out that black. So it looks like there's shadow on that brush, but it's really just dirty. There's no shadow on it. I am just taking the black that I already placed down with that flash palette, oh my god, and I begin to kind of smoke it out and blend it out within itself. And then I'm going to go back into that flash palette with the black and that pencil liner that we were using before, and just go over everything with the black paint again, which makes it look like that shadowy, very precise, kind of masky kind of look. Then once I'm done placing that black and really lining everything again, I'm actually going to go into this Makeup Shayla Perception palette and pick up the color Chic, which is a very light soft brown, and I'm going to use that on top of the black, giving you that very skin-like shadowy kind of effect. I just basically go back into that color Chic, and then I go back into the black flash palette and just kind of smoke everything out and blend it out. Then I'm going to take a little bit of my Tarte foundation. I'm going to go back in places in between the shadow just to really place it again, and this really makes the shadow stand out. It's kind of like a concealer, it's kind of cleaning everything up, but I'm going to go into a kabuki brush which kind of blends it all in together. So now going in for kind of that pin up, kind of something clip look, pulling your face back, oh my goodness, or taking the mask off, I guess you can say. I am just lining that out the same way she has in the photo, and that basically is it for the video. Alright guys, so that concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me create this look right here that I've seen all over Instagram. It was actually really easy. I hope you guys saw how easy it was in this video. Definitely, if you have no idea what you want to do on Halloween day, I would recommend doing this, because all you basically need is your makeup and black face paint. Or you could always use like a gel pot eyeliner as well, but I totally recommend this look. I was going to add some earrings, but I felt like it took away from the mask kind of look, but I honestly am really surprised. Let me know what you guys think down below. Let me know how you guys think I did down below as well, and I can't wait for my next Halloween video. I am like dying for these contacts to come in. They were supposed to be in on Monday, and it says they're still in Cincinnati, so I hope that it gets in before Halloween, because I really want to create my next look, or attempt to create my next look. So other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this bonus little video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys.